ASUS Vivobook 15, Intel Core i3-1220P 12th Gen, 15.6 feet, 39.62 centimeters, FHD, thin and laptop, 8GB per 512GB SSD/integrated graphics/Windows 11/Office 2021/Alexa built-in/FP sensor/Blue/1.7 kg, X1502ZAEJ381WS. Processor, 12th Gen Intel Core i3-1220P processor 1.1 GHz, 12M cache, up to 4.4 GHz. 10 cores, memory, 8 GB DDR4 on board 3200 MHz, with storage, 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD Graphics, integrated Intel UHD Graphics. Design, 1.80-1.84 cm thin, 1.70 kg weight, thin and light laptop 42 wears, 3S1P. 3-cell Li-ion, up to 6 hours battery life. Note, battery life depends on conditions of usage. Display, 15.6-inch, 39.62 centimeters, FHD, 1920 by 1080, 16:9 aspect ratio, 220 nits, 60 Hz refresh rate, 45% NTSC color gamut. Anti-glare display. Other, VGA camera, Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, dual band, 1x1 plus Bluetooth 4.1, audio by ICEpower, built-in speaker, built-in microphone, with Cortana support, US MIL-STD 810H military grade standard I/O port, 1x USB 2.0 Type A, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1x HDMI 1.4, 1x 3.5mm combo audio jack, 1x DC-inOperating System, Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity software included, Office Home and Student 2021 included with